4 miles. So it's great. So I bought some new sneakers. They're not comfortable. So these I'm just gonna stick with these Adidas for when I work at the gym. So when I do weights, I think they'll be good for that. But as far as running, absolutely not. So I'm gonna have to look for another one to buy. I'm a bit disappointed because these had really good ratings, but they failed. So this month is a good month. I've been very active, so I really can't complain. Not sure what the scale is going to say tomorrow, but I'm okay. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video, and that's it for now.